Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing MBI, and we've been having some trouble with the Indigo protocol and retrieving our rewards. Technically, the issue is unrelated to the protocol. The issue is related to Eternl. They've updated their wallet version, and there's some issues. People had said there is a workaround using Eternl in the mobile. The web app version, we tried that, did not work. The other thing they said to try was to try another wallet. So we're going to try GeroWallet and see if that makes a difference for us, because I'm starting to kind of get frustrated. I'm not one to have very many issues using Indigo. As you guys know, lots of people complain about it, but I haven't had any issues until now. I think this is anybody that's using Eternl is having that issue. So let's go ahead and try to grab our rewards, because what we want to do is we want to grab the rewards. We want to swap, and we want to get iBTC on the open market and deposit it into a stability pool so that we can make some interest. So let's go ahead and get started. We are IUSD. We're going to go ahead and pull our rewards by claiming all. I'm going to claim all. Actually, if we do, this is why it's really annoying. So we're going to claim those rewards. This is usually where it errors for me. Looks like it's working. We got the pop-up for GeroWallet. Let's go to full. That's the pop-up to my address. I'll receive 61 ADA, which is roughly $18.30, minus the estimated fee of little over 1 ADA, which, geez Louise, that's a lot. 30 cents, right? Let's go ahead and click confirm. And then it's going to ask me to enter a password. Let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to wait for the transaction to hit the Cardano network. And I don't know if this is going to automatically pull our Indigo rewards, but if it does, super sweet, save us some money. If it doesn't, holy, we got to go ahead and do another transaction. So it's going, it's confirming. Come on. Want some tea. We don't have to wait this long on Milkomeda, right? Just don't have these issues on Milkomeda. There we go. All right, so we pulled, and just that fast, look at the rewards that we've earned. So let's see if it, nope, didn't pull our Indy. So we're gonna have to claim that in a separate transaction. Good gosh. More fees, right? More fees, more transactions. And we get the prompt again. I'll show you there. Boom. So it's going to be, wait a minute. Why on earth would I pay 522 ADA? I'm not, what? Decline that one. What is that about? That's weird. Why does it say that I pay 522 ADA to some random address? I'm declining that because that doesn't make any sense. Why would I? What? That's weird. Why would I pay 500 something ADA? I don't like that. Don't like it at all. Let's try that again. If it lets us. While the transactions are built, I just haven't signed it. Is it going to explain what the heck that's about? That's weird. I don't like it. Not going to sign it. I'm going to ask about that. Why is it saying that I'm paying a bunch of ADA randomly to pull some rewards? Well, I'll ask the question on that. But in the meantime, we've got our rewards from the stability pool. We just don't have our indie tokens. I guess I'm gonna have to wait it out. Yeah, and this doesn't have anything to do with the wallet. This is just, that's just weird. Show claimed rewards. Show expired rewards. Don't have any expired rewards. But once you build it'll build the transaction. It'll say transaction built, and then you like have no way to really interact with it. And it's just like you're just screwed for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, the transaction kind of dies, and then you get your kind of rewards get put back into your account. But I don't like how it says that I'm going to be paying 500 or so odd ADA to some random address. That doesn't sit well with me. So I'm not going to do that until I get some answers, and I'll make a follow-up video. It's very, very interesting time using Indigo the last couple of days. And, you know, some of it is the issue of Eternl, and the other is just weird. I think that's platform. So we'll figure out what that means, and we'll continue our journey. But this is all I got for you on this one. A little short video. Just struggling through like everyone else right now, dealing with the Eternl update. I don't know what this update does for Eternl, but I hope it was worth it, because you royally screwed up a bunch of user experience for a bunch of dApps. So maybe test before you release it. It's my 2 cents. Well, thank you for checking out the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.